Today we'll take a look at the Momen Power 95 95 watt hour battery. So it does show the rating in big print on the top. You can also see it as a 6450 milliamp hour, 95 watt hour, 14.8 volt battery. On the left side we have an indicator. It actually comes with a full charge, so that is nice. We got a D-tap on the left, 2 USB ports on the top, and another D-tap on the right. On the back we got our V-mount clip, and on the bottom we have our terminal connector. So if we wanted to, we could just clip this on and we could use the USB ports on the top to supply power, but I've got this nice holder that does feel nice and secure and supplies power to this plate. I want to make sure that the ports on the top work, so I'm going to plug that in. And we can see we got a blue light on that transmitter, so we know that we are getting power. And there we go, now we are paired. So that is sending the information from the camera to the television without any wires. That way I can take this whole setup and move it around, not have to worry about getting tangled up. So that is a very handy setup. And with this being 95 watt hours, this is going to be able to record all day long. So I'm not going to have to worry about that. I might be able to get a couple of days out of that. That is a very large battery, but it's also small enough that I can travel with this. I'm not going to have to worry about getting hassled by the TSA, because anything that's over 99 watt hours, you're not supposed to be able to travel with that. So this is a perfect battery for travel, and plus it's just got a ton of power in it anyway. On top of that, it just has an excellent value. Most batteries in this range cost quite a bit more. So this is an awesome battery.